Hallelujah. I'm here to testify about our spiritual mother. Lily, looking at me, she's not older than me. She's my daughter, but spiritually, she's my spiritual mother. Praise the Lord. I'm here to testify about her. I knew her since 2018. Praise the Lord. When I come here, I did not know anybody, but she welcomed me. She opened her heart and welcomed me. I am who I am today because of her. Praise the Lord. She's a woman that does not discriminate. From east, west, north, and south, she welcomes everybody. She's a woman of giving. She gives out what she has with clean heart. She's a woman that is humble to everybody, both big and small. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. She also humble to her family. That is why you can see her. She carry all her family around. Because if you want to know who is humble, go to the person's family. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. You cannot be humble outside while your family is scattering. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. She's a virtuous woman. She's God-fearing woman. She is a woman that when you run to with all your problems, you will never go back the same. I celebrate her.